This is a fictional story made for entertainment.
Next day, meeting room. Jungkook was already sitting on his chair. Several directors and men, both family, were present. The door slowly opened. Wine entered with her man while Jungkook, who was already sitting, slowly looked up. Their eyes met and memories flashed through their minds. Wine, before discussing an agreement, there is one thing I would like to ask. How can we trust Jones? The history between our families is not exactly good. Betrayal, bloodshed, and countless losses are the only thing this rivalry has given us. Trust is not something that can be built so easily. Jungkook quietly looked at her. Miss Kim is right. Trust cannot be built in one day. But if both sides continue to hold onto the past, nothing will ever change. Wine let out faint bitter laugh. Sometimes the past changes people too much. Jungkook eyes slightly tumbled. Forgetting and moving on are two different things. Wine, are they? Jungkook. Some people move on because they. It doesn't mean they forget. Silence filled the room. Wine hands slightly tightened. Sometimes people are forced to move on because the person they trust never come back. Jungkook slowly looked at her. Her voice was calm, but he could hear the pain hidden behind it. Jungkook paused. Sometimes people want to come back, but circumstances don't let them. Wine looked at him. For a moment, both forget where they were. It felt like they were talking only to each other. Wine. Then maybe they should have tried harder. Jungkook's eyes slowly become red. Maybe they did. Wine immediately looked away. Her heart suddenly felt heavy. Mr. Han looked confused by the strange atmosphere. Mr. Han, as I said before, the agreement will benefit both families. Wine benefits are important. Wine expression become cold again, but trust is even more important. Their eyes met once again. There was pain and countless unsaid words. Mr. Han, then shall we proceed with the agreement? After long silence, Wine signed the paper. Mr. Han smiled. Congratulations, for from today onward, both families will officially stop attacking each other. Jungkook slowly extended his hand. Wine looked at it. The same hand that once The same hand she once promised to leave, never let go. After a few seconds, she placed her hand on his. The moment their hand touched, both froze. Neither wanted to go. Jungkook, I hope this agreement lasts for very long time. Neither of them realized they had been holding each other's hand for longer than necessary. Both immediately come back to reality. Mrs. Kim was standing there looking at them. Mrs. Kim, the meeting is over. Let's go. Wine slowly blinked and looked away. Mrs. Kim looked at Jungkook coldly before looking at Wine. We still have another meeting to attend. Wine nodded. For a few seconds, nobody said anything. Jungkook quietly looked at her. He wanted to stop her, to ask her how she had been, to ask if she was happy, but he couldn't. Take care, Mr. Kim. Wine. You too, Mr. John. Just, uh, just as Wine and Mrs. Kim were about to leave, one of the directors stood. Mr. John, Miss Kim, both stopped. Director, since the agreement has finally been signed, we have prepared a celebration party tonight. It will It will be attended by many business families and important guests. Mr. Han smiled. This party will also officially announce the partnership between John Empire and Kim Group. When I will attend, Mr. Han smiled. At night, the party hall was filled with businessmen, politicians, and mafia leaders. Wine entered the hall wearing an elegant dress. Almost everyone's attention turned toward her. On the other side, Jungkook slowly looked up. His eyes stayed on her. He couldn't look away. 3 years has passed, yet she still had the same effect on him. Jungkook quietly watched her. Businessman, Miss Kim, it's an honor to finally meet you. You look even more beautiful in person. Another man, I was hoping to have a dance with you tonight. Vine smiled politely. Thank you, Jungkook, your titan. Another man, we should discuss business sometime. Maybe our dinner. The party was going on and soft music filled the hall. Vine excused herself and walked toward the restroom area. Suddenly, Jungkook, you still do that? Vine froze. Jungkook slowly walked inside. Whenever you feel uncomfortable, you come here and stand in front of the mirror. Vine slowly looked at him. For a few seconds, neither spoke. Jungkook, I missed you. Vine eyes slightly tumbled. Jungkook, more than you can imagine. Jungkook slowly looked a step toward her. I missed hearing your voice, seeing your smile. Vine looked away. Mr. Jun Jungkook, I think this is inoperative. Jungkook's eyes filled with pain. Mr. Jun, so that what I become to you now? Vine, what else should I call you? Jungkook, you can call me Jungkook. Vine, I don't want to. Silence filled the place. Jungkook, are you really that happy pretending that nothing exists between us? Vine slowly looked at him. Nothing exists between us. Jungkook, don't do this. Even if you hate me, you are still my wife. Vine, you are the one who disappeared. You are the one who left me waiting every day like a fool. You are the one who never come back. Do you know how many nights I waited for you? Do you know how many times I thought maybe sometime something happened to you and then I saw you? One voice slowly broke, standing there with a gun while my brother was dying. I didn't kill him. Wine, stop. Jumbo, it's a truth. Wine, I don't want to hear it anymore. Jumbo looked at her helplessly. I never wanted to leave you, not for a single second. Wine eyes slowly filled with tears, but she quickly looked away. It's too late. Jungkook, then why are your eyes shaking? Why can't you even look at me properly? Wine clenches her fist. Jungkook remained standing there. I never stopped loving you. Wine come out of the restaurant and quickly wiped her tears. She took a deep breath and walked toward the bar. She sat on the one of the chair and ordered a drink. But Vine couldn't focus on anything. Her mind was still on Jungkook, his word, his eyes. I missed you. Vine slowly closed her eyes. She hated herself for still being affected by him. Suddenly, a loud gunshot echoed through the hall. Vine's eyes widened for a moment. Several masked men enter the hall and start firing everywhere. The entire party turned into chaos. People start screaming and running. Glasses shattered, table fall. Bodyguard, ma'am, this way. Her bodyguard quickly come toward her and stood protectively. Bodyguard, we need to leave now. Vine nodded and was about to follow him. Her bodyguard suddenly froze. Vine, eyes wide and blood slowly spread across his chest. Vine, no. Vine stepped back in shock. Everything happened too fast. People kept running around her. More gunshot echoed. She looked around desperately. There is nowhere to go. Vine breathing became uneven suddenly. One masked man noticed her. Man, there she is. He immediately pointed his gun toward her. Vine froze. The man slowly approached her. Her body refused to move. Fear filled her eyes. The man raised the gun. Just then, two strong arms around suddenly wrapped her. Vine eyes widened. Someone pulled her into his chest and protectively covered her. The bullet misses. Vine slowly looked up and froze. It was Jungkook. Jungkook held her tightly against him. One arm was around her while the other arm held his gun. Jungkook's expression was cold and dangerous. Are you hurt? Vine couldn't answer. She simply stared at him even in this situation. Jungkook, I'm here. Jungkook quickly held Vine's hand and took her away from the chaos. Gunshot continued to echo everywhere. Jungkook, stay here. Vine, what about you? Jungkook, I need to clear the way first. This place is not safe. Vine, eyes widen. Jungkook's expression softened. Her word pierced his heart. 3 years ago, she had also waited for her. Then a small sad smile appeared on his lips. I'm coming back. Vine, what if something happened to you? Jungkook, I promise. Vine eyes stumbled. Jungkook slowly stepped back. Vine eyes become wetter. He turned around and walked out. The door slowly closed. Vine stood there silently. Her eyes remained fixed on door. Sometime later, the door suddenly opened. Vine immediately stood up. He entered while breathing heavily. His suit was messy and there were small blood stains on it. Vine, Jungkook, Jungkook, we have to leave now. Vine, are you okay? Jungkook, I am fine, come. He took her outside while keeping her behind him protectively. Gunshot was still echoing everywhere. Jungkook grabbed her arm. Finally, they reached outside. Jungkook, get in. Both quickly entered the car. Jungkook immediately started driving. Vine looked at him. His expression was serious. One hand on the steering wheel, the other hand holding gun. Several black cars appeared behind them. Vine, Jungkook looked at the mirror. The men started chasing them. Several bullets hit the car. Vine flinched and covered her ear. Stay down. Jungkook pulled her down with one hand. More gun echoed. Jungkook, I know. Jungkook increased the speed. The car continued chasing them. A bullet shattered the window. Vine becomes scared. Jungkook, it's okay, I'm here. But suddenly, Jungkook body jerk. Vine eyes widen. The car slightly lost balance. Jungkook, Jungkook tightly held her the steering wheel. Blood slowly started spreading on his shoulder. No, Vine. Jungkook, you are bleeding. Jungkook gritted his teeth. It's just a shoulder shot. Vine, stop the car. Jungkook, we can't. Another bullet hit the car. Jungkook, if I stop now, we are dead. Vine immediately held his injured shoulder. You are hurt. Jungkook, Vine, look at me. Vine, look at him with teary eyes. Jungkook, I am okay. Vine, you are not okay. Vine, there is so much blood. Jungkook looked at her. He gave a small smile. Jungkook, are you crying for me? Vine, this is not the time. She wiped her tears. Focus on driving. Jungkook softly looked at her. After a long chase, Jungkook stepped suddenly stepped the car in the abandoned area. The man behind them was still approaching. Jungkook took the deep breath and got out of the car. Vine, no. Vine, no. Jungkook, please. Vine froze without waiting for her answer. Several gunshots. The man also started firing. Jungkook hid behind the car while protecting Vine. After a few minutes, Jungkook becomes silent. Everything becomes silent. The man had fallen. No one was left. Jungkook slowly lowered his gun. Blood continued flowing from his shoulder. His vision became blurry. While Jungkook immediately ran toward him. Jungkook looked at her. His face became pale. Wine, you are bleeding too much. Jungkook tried to smile. He slowly shook his head. You're safe. That's enough for me. Wine. Jungkook, his body was becoming weaker. Jungkook slowly raised his hand and touched her face. I missed you. A small smile appeared on his lips. Jungkook suddenly lost consciousness and collapsed. Wine. Jungkook opened